In the given question, X, which is non-volatile solute, is dissolved in benzene, and benzene is a liquid. Liquid means it is volatile, means easily form vapor. So we have to find the mass of X, means mass of non-volatile solute. So we will use B for solute, A for solvent, and if in the question volatile or non-volatile is there, then vapor pressure came. So we will use Raoult's law, and Raoult's law for volatile component is vapor pressure for volatile component is equal to vapor pressure of volatile component in pure form into their mole fraction. So suppose benzene is there, so benzene is liquid, so liquid is volatile. So when we heat benzene, so all the benzene will evaporate and there will be 100% vapor pressure. But when X is dissolved in benzene, which is non-volatile, so only benzene will evaporate, A for benzene, so benzene will evaporate but X will not evaporate. So vapor pressure will be less of benzene as compared to their pure form. If pure form have 100% vapor pressure, then benzene in solution, because X plus benzene means solution, in solution it will be less than 100%. Okay, so what are the given data? A non-volatile solute X, when dissolved in benzene, their vapor pressure is reduced to 90. So we will use Raoult's law for only volatile, and benzene is volatile. So we can write by Raoult's law, vapor pressure of benzene. Benzene is solvent, so we will use A. So vapor pressure of A is proportional to mole fraction of A, that is vapor pressure of A is vapor pressure of A in pure form into mole fraction of A. So for finding mole fraction of A, the formula is moles of A by total number of moles A plus B. So first we will find the moles of A. So given mass of A is, what is the A? A is benzene. Benzene is solvent, which is A. So given mass of benzene is 78 gram. So we have to find the molar mass. So molar mass of A means C6H6 benzene. What will be the molar mass? So carbon have 12 into 6 times. Hydrogen have 1 into 6 times. That is 72 plus 6, that is 78 gram per mole. So find the moles. Therefore moles of A will be given mass of A by molar mass of A, that is given mass is 78 and molar mass is also 78. So mole we got 1. Now use the formula. Therefore if we consider vapor pressure of A in pure form, so pure form, so in pure form, let us suppose benzene have vapor pressure 100%. So when non-volatile solute X is dissolved in benzene, then vapor pressure will less than 100. In the question it is written as vapor pressure reduced to 90. So vapor pressure reduced to 90 means vapor pressure of A, means benzene in solution is given as 90, because when non-volatile solute is added, that will not evaporate and resulting in the decrease in the vapor pressure of benzene. So if in pure form it is 100, so in solution it will be less than 100. So P is the vapor pressure of the component in solution, which is less than 100. The given is 90, so PA is 90. Therefore by formula PA is P naught A into mole fraction of A, that can be written as PA by P naught A. This comes in divide as mole fraction of A. and mole fraction of A can be written as PA by P naught A. Mole fraction of A means moles of A by total A plus B. Put the values. So PA is given as 90%, vapor pressure reduced to 90. PA naught in pure form, let us suppose it is 100. Na 1, we have find the moles of A means moles of benzene. Na is 1. Nb we have to find, because if we find the Nb moles of solute, then only we can find the mass of solute. B is solute means X. So it is 0 0 cancel percentage. Now, this implies Wb by molar mass of Bb is solute. Solute is X and molar mass is given as 50 is equal to 1 by 9. So Wb is 50 by 9, that is 5.55 gram. So thank you.